Crash course on Vietnam. People, historical landmarks, and architecture. Welcome to the captivating realm of Vietnam, a land where people, history, and architecture converge to tell tales of a rich and diverse tapestry. As you delve into this intriguing country, we'll explore the fascinating population dynamics, immigration policies, and unveil iconic historical landmarks and architectural marvels that stand as testaments to Vietnam's heritage. Population diversity and immigration policy. Vietnam's people are a vibrant mosaic, with over 54 ethnic groups contributing to its cultural fabric. The majority Kinh people form the core, while ethnic minorities reside in the mountainous regions. Vietnam's immigration policy reflects a delicate balance, encouraging skilled migrants while safeguarding cultural integrity. Iconic historical landmarks and architectural wonders. Vietnam's history unfolds through its landmarks and architecture. The imperial citadel of Thang Long in Hanoi stands as a symbol of the nation's power. Hoin's ancient town is a UNESCO-listed gem, preserving centuries of trading heritage. The Cu Kai tunnels narrate tales of resilience during conflict, and the one-pillar pagoda in Hanoi is a spiritual marvel. Interesting stories and examples. The bustling city of Ho Chi Minh boasts the French colonial-era Notre Dame Cathedral, built with materials imported from France. The enduring tale of the Hanoi Opera House reveals Vietnam's passion for the arts, blending French neoclassical design with local elements. Top 12 attractions of people, historical landmarks, and architecture. 1. Imperial Citadel of Thang Long, Hanoi. Explore the ancient heart of Hanoi, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 2. Hoi an ancient town. Wander through time, marveling at its well-preserved architecture and vibrant atmosphere. 3. Cu Kai tunnels. Discover the network used during wartime, a testament to resourcefulness. 4. One-pillar pagoda, Hanoi. Admire the unique lotus-shaped pagoda, an iconic symbol of the city. 5. Hu Imperial City. Step into history within this imperial fortress and its grandeur. 6. Notre Dame Cathedral Basilica, Ho Chi Minh City. Witness French architecture and a historic Catholic monument. 7. Hanoi Opera House. Embrace the arts within an architectural gem, reminiscent of European elegance. 8. Phong Nha K Bang National Park. Unearth the stunning karst landscapes and mystical caves. 9. Presidential Palace, Hanoi. Peek into the palace's grandeur, where Vietnamese leaders once resided. 10. Mausoleum of Ho Chi Minh. Pay respects to the revered leader in a monumental setting. 11. Sao Dai Temple, Tay Ninh. Witness the eclectic blend of religions in this vibrant temple. 12. My Sun Sanctuary. Explore the ancient Champa Kingdom's ruins, an archaeological wonder. Summarizing. Vietnam's people, historical landmarks, and architecture form a captivating narrative, reflecting a rich tapestry of heritage and culture. From the imperial citadel to Hoin's charm, each site beckons travelers to embark on a journey through time. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. Poem. In Vietnam's embrace, a tale unfolds. A land of people, stories told. Diverse faces, cultures bright. A vibrant mosaic, a stunning sight. Thang Long Citadel, a historic heart. Hugh's Imperial Grace, a work of art. Hoin's Town, where time stands still. Architectural Wonders, a world to thrill. Pu Chi's Tunnels, courage found. One Pillar Pagoda, sacred ground. Opera's Notes, in Hanoi's air. A fusion of cultures, beyond compare. From Notre Dame spires to my son's past. A journey through time, an experience vast. In Vietnam's landmarks, history's rhyme. Echoes of ages, through every chime. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. *******.